Hey, if you just joined, I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults, I teach teens. We're talking about avoiding crash. I don't want to tailgate. I want to maintain good speed. I'm not an erratic lane changer. So we want to stay smooth, speed and good space, and I'm modeling that right now. Who needs this? A beginning driver, someone who enjoys driving videos. I enjoy making videos to teach adults and teens how to drive. This is something you like. I love talking about cars, teaching people how to drive. That's a pretty good lane change in that gray F-150. That's not bad. Back off some, I'm off the gas again. For about 45. They didn't use the blinker, kind of threw me off a little bit. So you don't want to tailgate. Lifting my foot again so I don't tailgate this white car ahead of me. I'm at about 50. Being smooth, being patient. Show you what you should be doing. You should be checking your mirrors, left, your center, your right, looking around, checking. We're in the left lane. Why? Provide the yellow line. I'm off the gas again. I'm squeezing my brake just a little bit. Scanning, looking for people who will change lanes at the intersection. That's really dangerous. I used to have that bad habit, but I've really tried to change doing so I can be a safer driver. That's that trailblazer. We don't want to hang around people's blind spots. We want to be in and out. This is a pretty smooth drive, but I gotta get off my gas now. I don't want to tailgate this Jeep. And that's what you'll do as a beginning driver. So you want to back off gas, stay smooth, keep it moving, stay safe. Looking for blinkers. Vehicles that don't use blinkers, I'm going to get over one lane to the left. There is a red Mercedes-Benz behind me going quite fast. Maintain my speed and position. Be smooth. You can hear when I put on the gas. You can hear when I lift off the gas. I'm lifting my foot again at 50 miles an hour. Cars are going about 50. This is what it looks like driving at the legal limit. Squeezing my brakes. You're probably saying, well, why did they keep tapping brakes? It could be tailgating. It could be someone ahead of them. You have to keep good speed and good space. Hey, how are you doing today? I'm sorry, our temperature's in the notes, so it does need to be serviced, but for now, we just have to drive and pray that it doesn't break down. So I'm lifting my foot, scanning left, middle, and right. Just taking my time, trying to be patient, trying to over-accelerate. It's really easy to accelerate and tailgate someone. You want to be a safe driver. You're watching this because you want to be a safe driver. You're watching this to learn dangers. The dangers are tailgating, running the light, squeeze my brake. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Heavy traffic. When I get to the inside lane, this is a double left turn. So you see me with all this traffic. This is going to be intense. I need to get all the way over to the right. Got to yield for traffic. I'm yielding, accelerating through. Dang, that car cut me off. Over, hoping I can get over, hoping I can get over some more. I'm using my blinker. Man, this is real, but I got over. But I used my blinker. So I want you to know, use that blinker, be patient, and sometimes you have to make moves like that. That was a little bit intense. You could tell by my voice, a lot of traffic.